homemaker, and we have our own business actually. It is agarbatti. So my husband frequently has dust allergy, and in this climate especially, he will suffer from wheezing. It's like from 15 years he's suffering, sir. Okay. This quantum theory of Advaita meditation was introduced from my friend actually. So I've been practicing from 5 days. That's it, sir. So like first 2 days I couldn't concentrate actually. So after understanding the YouTube links, what all you shared, with us. So after that, the third day started concentrating actually. So on the third day, I just when in the course you tell us to concentrate on the family members and such. Concentrated on my husband's health issue. So the next day itself, he had 50% relief in his condition actually. And from fourth day, like it went on improving. And from yesterday, like only 10% is still having only 10%. So today I'm pretty sure that tomorrow he'll be 100% all right.
Okay.
So this he was suffering from actually 15 years, and this season, I'm really confident from it won't repeat again. His condition will be definitely fine.
Yes. So just a 15-year-old problem getting solved
Yes,
in just 5 days.
yes, and that too without any medication, only
That's
through yoga.
no,
And even
this is not yoga. This is quantum physics Advaita
quantum,
philosophy. Quantum
yes,
physics Advaita. It is working at the speed of
yes,
more than speed of the light.
half of him, like it's more. I'm
It's not
actually
you. You are not the patient. Your husband is the patient.
yes, yes, sir. That's what I wanted to tell. I'm concentrating his problem in this kriya. So that really it's very
General, what is the
miracle.
general belief, Divya? If any disease comes, a patient will go to doctor or a patient wife will go to doctor?
Patient will go, but I should accompany him, sir.
At least to accompany, right? But you never,
Yes.
you don't take the treatment, right? On behalf of your husband. Huh?
No, sir.
Here, what happened?
I'm doing behalf of him, but I could see 100% result. That is what matters here, sir.
This
It's
is
really a miracle.
this
It's
is
really
we are speaking
science.
quantum physics language. Second
Yes,
principle,
sir.
entanglement. Correct?
Yes,
Entanglement.
yes, sir.
Because of the
Yes,
entanglement, you and your husband, if you do it, it will go to your husband also. Huh?
yes, sir. Now
Uh,
yeah, it's very effective, sir. Very, very.
in Kannada, one proverb is there, no? ಎತ್ತಿಗೆ ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎಮ್ಮೆಗೆ ಬರೆ ಹಾಕದಂತ. you you took the treatment, your husband has become all right, right? Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. I have a very good example for that, sir.
Like my work, I mean office work, which is getting done too fast, and also peace of mind. I'm getting a good sleep. English helpeka?
No? English. Today is English feedback.
Okay. Just confirmed. And also, as I told you in the beginning, my baby was not allowing me to attend the classes. Most of the time, she used to disturb me. That also, I have asked for universe. So now she is sleeping. Before I go to meditation, she'll sleep.
Very good. Very good. Very nice.
Yeah. And also skin, I had some problem like under my stomach, I had a skin allergy kind. After my delivery, like from 1 year it was there.
Okay.
So now that has got reduced to 90%.
Oh, fantastic. Fantastic.
Yeah, only visibly it is there. The darkness. So maybe that 10% will also go. So.
I started for 2 days. It was like very disturbing. Whole my body was disturbing. After 2 days, it started improving, and my all stressfulness came down.
Okay.
And I suggested to practice to my mother. She started doing. She had met with an knee pain was too much.
Can you repeat?
At least 10
there was a signal breaker.
Too much pain. After yoga nidra, maybe for
After the
She
accident,
was,
what happened
she
after the
had met
accident?
with an accident.
Please continue.
After accident, she had a knee fracture, and she was on rest, completely bed rest. But her pain wasn't going properly. She had a severe pain, and if she has to walk for 10 yards or 100 yards, she has to think over double, and her pain used to increase. So after doing Yoga Nidra for more than 20 days now, she had come to your place today. It is
Yes,
almost
yes. Very quite normal, no?
She walked. Yeah, very quite normal, and she is very happy that she could walk so much.
Yeah, very good, very nice.
And her BP levels, her tensions, everything has come down. My niece, she's 5.5 years. She had electrical shock when she was 3 years or 4 years. So every day or at least the fourth night, she used to have left leg and left hand pain. That got cured within 2 days or 3 days of Yoga Nidra. She used to do with me.
It is based on quantum physics.
5 days.
It is based on quantum physics.
This is all quantum physics.
Yes, quantum physics Advaita meditation technique.
Introduce the
Yes, Arundhati.
video is coming, sir.
It's coming.
My name is Arundhati. I've been introduced by my sister. It's been nearly 1.5 months, and I'm very pleased, and I'm getting good results. I'm getting mental peace, and my relationship is also with the others, be it in the family or the others, has been improved. And I've got a lot of, like I was not so mentally, I was not disturbed and all that. Now, so much of issues have been resolved only through this meditation, Yoga Nidra, and also in the morning you feel very energetic and want to do many things. And I had some health issues also, which got resolved. And latest, sir, like I had heel pain from last week. So when sir was telling, like when he instructs, I just focused on my heel Friday, Saturday, and all that. But today I really don't have any pain. So in all ways, it's really helping.
Okay. So thank you so much.
Sounds. Actually, meditation, this is first time for me, sir. Actually, I tried before also. I never used to concentrate actually on meditation. First of all, I didn't know what is meditation, first of all. So whenever I close my eyes, all my negative thoughts, many thoughts used to come, and never used to sit for 1 minute also, actually. Very first day when I started this, in the month of May, month end, I believe. So from that day onwards, I started concentrating, and second day itself, I'm concentrating on meditation. And I never used to get good sleep, sir, initially. Now it's sound sleep. It's a very challenging job for me, actually, for sleeping, actually.
Okay.
It's very challenging for me, but now I'm getting sound sleep after doing this meditation. And at home also, we are getting very positive environment, like I can say so. Feeling happy, staying, it means positive energy. I'm seeing positive energy at my place. Regarding Yoga Nidra, I not get that much, means
more manifestation. Tell me.
So I just need to tell, sir, I was taking karga in the temple yesterday, and the karga was too heavy. I couldn't take only, but I finished that, but I was getting too much pain on my head. Okay, so I was thinking like whether to take tablets or not for that headache. Okay, my mother was telling, no, you take tablets and sleep off, then your headache will go. I said, no, wait, I'll take some rest, then I will feel fine and all. Then what happened? While coming from the temple, I went again to temple to take that Garga to the home. It was started raining heavily, and I just prayed saying that until I reach my home, the rain should stop. And I don't know what is that. It was miracle. Rain was stopped raining, and until I reached home, it was no raining. And plus, my head was paining a lot. Then I thought like whether I'll attend today your class or not, but somehow I'll attend it. I won't attend your class, I thought. I attended your class. Morning, I'm not feeling any headache pain at all. And thank God I didn't take any tablet.
Super.
All right.
So, Deepaji, how much percentage out of 100 recovered? Tooth pain is recovered?
95%. I'm not able to see which tooth is now paining also. I was telling my mother like I want to go to the doctor. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow might be I take appointment. But today I don't know. From morning I'm not feeling anything at all. The pain at all. I felt like wisdom tooth some problem is happening. But now I'm not having any pain at all.
Very nice. And that your childhood headache is gone, no? Long back.
Yeah, completely gone. Sir. Like today, I got up very early. Actually, I want to go to a temple. I took the head bath. I didn't dry my hair. I didn't thought that headache will come. My mom gave me the medicine and all. Keep it ready. If headache comes, take it. I said no, headache her. So I'm not getting any headache now. So I'm completely all right.
Excellent. Childhood headache resolved in just a matter of a few days, right? So thank you so much. So these are all the benefit, correct? Huh?
Okay. I have. Yeah, so my experience is I am Srinidhi. I have one son. So me and my wife, both of us are participating in this Sankalpa Siddhi Kriya meditation. So what I found personally is for my experience, like what I experienced is after doing this, right, what is happening is I am becoming more calm. Every day, I mean, the kind of stress level has reduced, and I used to have back pain. The back pain has reduced a lot. I mean, it's still in the process. It's going on. So I used to treat myself. I mean, I do acupuncture. I mean, I used to treat myself, but then I have stopped treating myself now. So I am only doing yoga nidra and treating myself. And one more thing I want to tell all of you attendees actually. So this kind of teaching, right, without a single, those are kind of, I mean, it's a big based meditation without a single, any expectation, I should say. I mean, without any expectation, he's teaching this kind of beautiful science. And everybody should start practicing this and start getting benefited. Like wherever I go, I've started advertising this and asking them to join. One of the recent thing that I remember is one of my niece. She has a 2-month-old baby. Now she was pushing the cradle and she got heavy pain in her right hand. No, I had given this YouTube video and she couldn't join at the time of it when it started. She joined a few hours late. I mean, I should say around 12 o'clock or something, because it was paining a lot for her. She did that exercise. She did the yoga kriya, and then after that is finished, she gave me a feedback that her entire pain is completely gone. I just shared.
And then initially, I think this is also as good as any other class. But later on, when I started experiencing it personally, then I thought, yes, this class is way different from any other class. Other class, I don't want to tell about other classes, but this class, yes, it's very good. A big thanks to Mr. Class, and who is teaching this class regularly, without any personal interest. That's the main thing here. And regarding my personal experience, I think, as I said, because of my mental tensions in the work, the mental pressures, and small issues within the family or within my personal life, I think my sugar level went high, and I was told I was diabetic from past 1 year. Then I started attending this class and attending after for 20 days to 1 month. Between this time, I just had my normal sugar check. That was my routine check. I didn't intend to check just because of this attending this class. That was just a routine check, and then I found that my sugar levels were dropped completely. Then I thought, this lab was not good. So the next day I went to another lab, and surprisingly, even there the result was very low. And the values came like 75 with before food, and after food it was 90. And the same results came in both two different labs. Then I started thinking why this happened, and then I got that, yes, after attending this class, my sugar levels went down. So this was one of the great, experience that I had. And also, apart from this, my mental tensions, mental, stress also reduced, which is helping me in leading my life in a good manner. And I think I can manage things well now than before. I think this is my personal experience by attending this class.
Okay. Super.
Actually, I was started this class 2.5 months back. When I started this class, my mental condition was not good and had some chest pain and all. Then once we started this class, I was able to I was not able to sleep all night. But when the class started, I was able to sleep whole night without even wake up for the natural thing and all. So almost 7 to 8 hours deep sleep. So my health condition is got good result without any medicine or nothing. Only Yoga Nidra has helped me to come out of my mental and physical health. So I want to say thanks to Adit for her fantastic job and his contributing us to help unconditionally. Thank you once again.
How yogic and spirituality, it is only purely spiritual or scientific also?
No, it's scientific also.
Mm-hmm.
What you explained us through quantum physics and all.
Yes.
Today also afternoon I was discussing one of my friend daughter. She got 97% in this one PCMB result. So I was talking with her, discussing this quantum physics and all. How you explained, she was very happy. Auntie, all those things. She was a commerce student. And she was telling me. Then I told, no, it's not for me. My sir, he taught us to all those things. So I came to know this topic or not. So it's very much related to
yes.
science. So thanks to you.
Yeah. Welcome.
Also, I was able to reach one of my amount was stuck with some person. It's almost 7 to 8 years.
Mm-hmm.
Now I received yesterday. He came, called, and he gave me that amount. He returned me back.
Oh, this also happening. Okay. Good.
Yeah, thank you so much for that. Thank you. So wonderful result what we are getting here.
Yes. It is not only physical, emotional, mental. It's also in a way financial and other things also, right? Job, career.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Geeta. God bless you.
The benefits by following this process. And one special thing I just remembered as soon as Geeta ma'am told was even my finance was stuck with a person which I got it a few months back. So then I remembered. So this happened after starting this class meditation process. So that was a wonderful thing which I remembered. Thank you, Geeta ma'am, for reminding me that. And also,
when did you receive the money?
A few months back, sir. I think in the month of November, I received the money. It was almost stuck for 6 to 7 years with that person. So he returned the money.
After the meditation last year and
Agnihotra Homa. Yes. Agnihotra Homa and meditation. And I also constructed a additional floor on my existing building. So all this happened after starting. And one important thing is Jaladeepa. I think coming to this Yoga Nidra, since we started the Yoga Nidra process.
Sorry, this is actually quantum Advaita meditation methods. Quantum.
Yes.
It's scientifically and meditation also there.
Yes, sir. We are after we started this meditation, with integrating with the quantum physics, we are getting entangled to the universe. So a lot of people, and including myself, are getting a lot of benefits out of this. So the one major thing, as Deepak mentioned, is stressful life. So we are relieved out of the stress, work stress and family stress. Now we have a very peaceful mind. We are leading day to day very peacefully without any tension. So that is a great thing happen. And after starting the Yoga Nidra process, I've noticed one thing. I'm not getting back pain. So which usually I used to have, most of the time I used to suffer with back pain because of continuous sitting in one place, no physical workout, because of work, too much work. Sometimes, not sometimes, many times we get to extend our work. So because of that, I used to have back pain most of the time. So that is not there from last 2 or 3 months since the day we started this Yoga Nidra. So this is a wonderful process, and thank you.
Educating us the quantum physics and spirituality. So that is one which I was amused to know that, and how very simply he's connecting the physics and the spirituality. So basically each individual is good by heart. It's just that we cannot see it. So that simple theory, Wagi has mixed it with the physics and made even the layman understand it in very simple terms. So I encourage everyone to attend these sessions and get the benefits. And the benefits what I have got through these sessions, I'll be in low, and sometimes I'll be disturbed by hearing the stories of other people. But this is like a booster for me. By the end of the day, I'll have this Yoga Nidra, the quantum Advaita theory that I always attend, and wherein I can rejuvenate myself. So this is it. Thank you.
Nagaraj sir.
So myself, Nagaraj, working for an share market office for last 13 years as a branch manager and investment advisor. Using this quantum physics, the principles of the quantum physics, scientifically moving towards the spirituality path with an amazing lesson what we have learned from this session. I joined this session from last 2 months plus, and as I'm in the capital markets, so we used to have a lot of tensions and mental stress also. So after joining this Kriya, quantum Advaita Kriya session, so now I am feeling there is no stress at all, even though capital markets is very volatile and very tensionless. Speculative activities will be there in our session, in our office. So these type of tensions usually I used to get is a common for me. Due to that one, I got a lot of headaches, and even my BP levels has gone up to 180 by 120, 130 levels also. From last 2 months, the BP level, I can say it has come down even 125 to 80 levels. It is amazing for me that doing this Kriya and learning about quantum physics and entanglement and wave front collapse, these are the principles what we have taught from this lesson, this session. So my mental tension has gone down, and my BP has gone down. Physically, I am very active now, and I can take any amount of stress also. So there won't be any what we call tensions in my physical form, I can say. And main thing for me is that the freeness for the mind freeness, peace of mind. So this has come from me from the doing these classes.
Okay.
And even I gotten a very good advice from the Ragesh Master. Usually the trader has to be done, so we used to do the trading also. So of course we are making profits or losses will be there. From last 6 to 7 months, I can see my financial position is very, very bad. In the sense, even though we do some speculations activities, I am losing so much of money. From last 1.5 months, I can say I got almost 60 to 70% of my losses from this Kriya. In the sense,
super.
Because what will happen is in this course, So we lose, so as in speculation activities, we must have this lot of tensions, and we lose the temperament of holding the stocks or holding the positions, because the movement is like that one. So after doing this Kriya, the smoothness, or I can say the waiting list, so these are things what we can learn. That means we can have some patience and do the business so that we can make the monetary benefits also. So this is taught to me. So having a patience, having a proper, so these are the other things I can say that when it has helped me a lot in this doing this Kriya.
Yes, sir.
So I should say very thank